To answer the important question, what does your 3-year-old carry in her purse? Well, we start with sunglasses, a Star Wars sheet of lightsabers. Any woman is well prepared with her gun. Stickers from the grocery store. A lens cloth for cleaning said sunglasses. Chocolate Lucky Charms without the marshmallows because she ate them. Pictures of her brother Snowflake. There's his junk. A compact. A tractor. Another piece of the tractor. Her cell phone. A ribbon. A scrunchie. 11 cents. A stormtrooper. And last but not least, a lightsaber. Have a great day.